I'll have to save this in a free top hair. You see how beautiful it looks.
I've been waiting for the longest time. I've been trying.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm very hyper today, maybe because I didn't go to work. This is the first Saturday that I'm staying at home. Like, yo, guys, it feels so good. It's very liberating, like to enjoy, you know, be home, not think about anything, not think about work. Unfortunately, I had a very stressful week. A lot of things happened, and I'm happy I'm home. Sincerely, yeah, I live close to the road. I'm happy I'm home today. Like, I'm not going anywhere. So quickly, I really don't know what is happening. How are you guys doing? How is everybody? Sorry, I'm looking at my viewfinder. Anyway, so today I'm actually prepping this because I'm hardly at home, and because of that, sometimes within the week it's always taking me longer to, you know, do what I just want to do today. I just want to make my orange and cucumber juice. This is something I do on a regular day. I don't know why this water will not stop dropping, guys. I need to change this stuff. I don't know any plumber around this area, but I need to change it, and I'm thinking of maybe going out to check if I can get a plumber. If you're hearing any noise in this video, please ignore. Just ignore. I don't know what they call this thing. This tap. Okay, I have my kitchen tap dropping water on a regular basis. This is something I have been dealing with for the past few weeks, and I can't stand it. So because I work and I'm always finding it very difficult to, you know, do this thing, so I just want to prep them down, like squeeze. I want to do everything. In fact, today I just want to do everything today and squeeze out, see the quantity I have. If it's something that can carry me within a week, it's not advisable to squeeze out this juice and leave it more than 48 hours, more than 3 days. Is not advisable, because at the end of the day, probably fungi and bacteria tend to live comfortably in very cold places. Even with the fact that you put it in the fridge, except you put it in the freezer, that's the only way that it can last for more than 3 days without, you know, bacteria growing in them. But for me, I like them freshly squeezed, so I'm going to extract them. If you're hearing any noise, please forgive me. There's this mechanic down here that won't let me breathe. They are always turning on the generator. I don't know why. Well, that's besides the point. So let's get started with it.
I've been trying, can't shake this feeling I've been holding on to. I've been trying, and I notice you've been pacing like I do when I'm removed from my own mind. Baby, what am I like? And I wonder if you're feeling an opportunity to come with me tonight.
So guys, it's actually time to blend the cucumber so I can extract it as well. So once I'm done blending it, I'll extract, and let's get it.
See, oh, stay with me, run away with me. Step into the waters, I can show you something. I'm hiding so that no one else can see.
See, filming this type of video takes a lot of time and energy, and this is why whenever I'm doing vlogs and I need to incorporate this kind of video, I just don't bother, because it takes in a lot of time, it takes in a lot of space, and at the same time. So this is I've been trying to tidy up with this for the past 2 hours. I started a few minutes before 3, and this, can you see, this is a few minutes past 4. So past 4 and I'm still here. Anyways, let me show you guys. This is what I got from the entire cucumber that I blended. This is it. This is the amount of water. Just hold on, let me show you guys. So this is the quantity of water I got from here, and it's still not finished. I still have this. I still have a little, so it will fill up the entire jug, and I'll still have remnant. But let's just mix it together and see what is left. Because I know that this cucumber water will be greater, will be much more than what I have it. So I'll use my mason jar to like separate them. This, you know, the smell of fresh orange is everything. So while you're done, so you see, I have a full jug of orange and cucumber juice here, all made at home. I'll have to save this in the fridge for whenever I want to take it. So whenever I want to take it, I just put a little. So I'll save this for later. While the remaining one, I still have this quantity. I just turn this into it. Turn them into these mason jars. I'm putting it in the fridge. This is what I do every time. I'll just put this one back into the fridge. So for everyone who is on a healthy lifestyle, this should be an alternative juice for you. It's not sweet because they're not processed. There's no form of sugar or flavor in it, but you can spice it up if you want. This is how I'll be drinking mine. If you are looking for a wonderful skin, you want your skin to glow, this should be your go-to, because cucumber does a lot. Cucumber and orange does a lot for the skin, while the ginger will help keep your immune system up. So if you try it and it's not sweet, there's a way out. What do you need to do? Just blend date. You know how sugary date can be. Blend it, and when you're blending this, blend dates, dry dates, and in a powdered form, and keep ready. So for every time you want to make this, while you're blending your cucumber, just put in maybe like 2 tablespoons of dates, or you can put 2 tablespoons of dates, and it will help sweeten it. Another alternative is honey. For those who love honey, you can just pour in, just like this one, because I'm going to drink up this one now. So you can just pour in what's it called, pour in honey inside and drink. I don't like honey, I don't like the taste. It tastes horrible for me, so I can't do dates. Just put in a little date here and you're good to go. So I'm going to store mine, and usually this will last for 2 days, because you know, something when we find that you have orange and cucumber juice unnaturally processed, it's not something you have to be drinking every minute. So once I drink this, maybe every time I'm craving something to drink or like a juice, I fall back to this. So if you add this to it, for every time you're craving something sugary, just drink it up and you're good to go. So this I will store in the fridge. I have to clean up this place off the camera. Taking thumbnail pictures is one of the most hardest thing anyone should do. I always forget to take thumbnail pictures. I don't know why. And I have to go and wear hair just so that my thumbnail picture will come out the bumper. Hey, YouTube will not kill me. Guys, I'm done cleaning, and I forgot to mention something. That's what I do with this. Hold on, let me reduce the exposure. Yeah, this is actually the leftover from the cucumber and ginger. What do I do with it? That should be the question. If you're on a healthy lifestyle and you love eating swallow. This is your swallow, and you want to still enjoy eating soups. Now, soups in Nigeria are like afang. For those who are not Nigeria, soup is like normal soup abroad, but this is quite different. Ours are used to eat swallow like Nigerian eba. You can Google it if you want. So this is what I do with mine. I don't throw this thing away because I cannot be eating, just drinking the juice and not enjoy the fiber as well. This is filled with so much fiber, so there's no need me throwing it away. What I do with it is the same process of what I do with cabbage. So I will link a video of my cabbage food somewhere here. And if you've not watched it, please go watch it so you understand better. The only difference here is that this is cucumber and ginger. That's just the only difference. Add oat flour to it and cook it just the way I did with the cabbage fufu, and you're good to go. This is what I eat every day. People will ask, does it hold your stomach? Like, is it very filling like normal gari and fufu? Yes, is my answer. So this can fill you up just like every other swallow we have in Nigeria. This is what I do as an alternative. So that is it, and there are no regrets about it. How I do it is, since I've extracted it and it's here, all I do is wrap it in this. It's called ceiling film. They sell it in supermarket. Most times I just buy it. If I don't have Ziploc bags, you just need to be careful. This is how it folds. It doesn't fold. I just use this to wrap up my leftover chap. Hold on guys. I'm wrapping it up. So I've wrapped it up with a ceiling film, and it's good to go into the freezer. Into the freezer. My leftover fruit is wrapped up here. You see how beautiful it looks? You see how beautiful it looks? Yeah, this is how beautiful it looks. So I wrap it up here just like this, and I put it in the fridge and use it anytime I want. So if you don't know how to use it, just watch my cabbage fufu video. It's the same process. The only difference is that this is not cabbage, this is cucumber and ginger. That's the only difference. End up enjoying your swallow. At the same time, you're eating vegetables. So what are you waiting for? Why are you not trying this recipe? Please let me know. If you're team healthy lifestyle, let me know in the comment section. Let me know if it's something you would definitely try. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be giving this a try. I'll clean up this and I'll see you guys. This was supposed to be like a vlog. I don't know, but I'll end it here because I'm tired. If this video was helpful, like I always say, please let me know in the comment section. Are you team healthy living? Are you team healthy lifestyle? Please let me know. Say a yay in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Share the link with people, because it's only when you share you get visibility. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. Do have a wonderful day.
Can you keep a secret? Something I've been